Right, we've got floor coming today, hopefully anyway. So we'll have a little tidy up, get that craned in there. So I'll wait for that, putting this flank in down here. And then we've returned the block work there because we've got some sort of panelling going on there, some weatherboard or something. So no point putting face work or something like that. Yeah, look, returned it there, and then the whole back of this flank is going to be some sort of weatherboard, I don't know, timber, cement board, something like that. Yeah, so we'll start marking out where the doors. Got a big set of bifold doors going there. Window there, and then that makes up the annex, because this is going to be a one bed annex with its kitchen and bathroom and everything, and then there'll be a wall there going into the house, door there, sorry, going into the house, and that'll be the kitchen in there. So yeah, get in there. Be nice this will when it's done. So yeah. What are you up to, Tommy Dog?
Bit of fire clay engineering.
Floor has arrived, so just got to get them all down there now. Blocking each end, spacers. Oh. Ta-da! Someone's nicked your bum, Thomas.
Huh?
Someone's nicked your Chad.
Yeah, right, you've got one. I can't eat the way I am, though, boy. I'll have more than a Chad.
Well done, Auburn. Look at them guns. Powerhouse he is. What are you doing, Tommy lad?
Smearing a bit of gear on the wall. I'm playing, aren't I? I'm playing. Playing building.
What are you doing that for, Tommy lad?
Put these blocks from here onto here.
Oh.
For the floor.
Well done.
Get that out there.
Clean your little ledge. Get the little concrete nuggins off there.
You don't want them little nuggy bits in there.
Then you get wobblers.
Because they irritate you.
Get little block wobblers.
Need some more cuts.
Yeah, I'll do that in a sec. This bit we're building here takes the cavity wall upstairs for the second part of the extension, like the second story.
I think you'll have to cut them off though.
Yeah. We'll let them go off and cut them off tomorrow, yeah?
Cut them off tomorrow, and then you can use them hundreds anyway. And
yeah.
More smear. Oh, smear campaign. More blocks, please, Jimbo.
You be careful with that one block.
Cheers,
they're
Robin.
heavy.
Warm up as well, please, go through, please. Udgy udgy. I've taken my jumper off so I can get even more mosquito bites for it.
It's middle of winter, eh? Getting mosquito bites.
All that warm rain. Better these ones, aren't they? Hey.
People up there as a gauge, and that's where your first beam goes.
Blocks.
So T-Dog went on a date last night. How'd it go, mate? You in love?
Not too bad at all. Got a French kiss at the end.
Yes. No, I have a feeling that I don't. A hun?
Do you know Gemma Collins?
Gemma Collins is a hun. It's someone who loves